ku-PSL Mlando lo sibe na two team this season le kuyo i-Betway Premiership iKruger ne-TS Galaxy.
Ukhomba growth. Remember the signs were there. If you look at the development lesibe nayo in the province, I want to look at for the first time sibanene under 17 league, a foreign under 17 Safa League. It was a sign, you could say, we are going somewhere as a province in football. If you can check, Kruger United for 3 years, say ku-PSL. Akuvami kwendeka.
Kwagcina ngeChippa United.
Yeah, team established manje already say ku-PSL. It combat a growth and talent less now in the province. Now we are saying to the province we can compete at the highest level. I mean, our team South Africa can compete at the highest level as the province, and it's showing. The following year,